guys, happy Wednesday. I love you so much today, but I have some bad news. I ran out of books to read, and so I can't read you a story today. April Fools! Guys, it's April Fools today. That means you trick people all day. I wonder what kind of jokes you can play on your brothers and sisters or your family. Guys, happy April Fool's Day. I was just joking you. I really have lots of books to read. There's no way I could ever run out. All right, guys, the book we're going to read today is called What's Inside. Okay? This is another science book. So this is a real book about true things. It's called a nonfiction book. That's when it's not a made-up story. So, what's inside? I see on the front of our cover that this title has a question mark. That means they're asking us a question. There's a mystery that we need to solve. What's inside? This book is written by someone named Jean Bennett. And there are no illustrations inside. There are only photographs, pictures. All right, here's the title page. What's inside? Many foods that we eat have skin. The skin protects the food, kind of like how our skin protects the inside of our body. This rubbery skin is called a peel. We can't eat the rubbery peel. Ugh. But what is inside the peel? That's the question. What is inside the peel? And they put a question mark right there so we would know to answer it. I bet you guys know this one. There's a banana inside. The banana is soft. We can eat the banana, but we can't eat the peel. All right, let's see what's next. This hard skin is called a shell. Not like a seashell, but a hard shell to protect the inside of this food. We can't eat the hard shell, but what is inside the shell? This one's a little trickier than the banana. Here's the food. What do you think is inside this shell? What kind of food? Let's take a look and see. Ooh, there is a walnut inside. It's a kind of nut that you can eat. Pretty cool. That shell is protecting it. I can see the shell right around the outside here, and this bumpy part inside is the walnut, and that's the part that you can eat. A walnut is crunchy. We can eat walnuts. This soft skin is called a husk. We can't eat a husk. But what's inside the husk? Let's look. It looks green and long and skinny and maybe a little bit rounded. What do you think could be inside that husk? Has anybody ever seen something like that before? Maybe at the grocery store or at a farm? Let's see what's inside this husk. There is corn inside the husk. Corn is chewy and sweet. We can eat corn. Okay, this is pretty cool because I can see the inside of the husk. There are strings, lots and lots of strings in there called silk. And that's all the stuff. The husk and the silk is what keeps the corn safe until you're ready to peel it and eat it. All right, let's see what's next. This is our last one. Ooh, you guys might know what this is. This kind of looks like a long oval. This tough skin is called a rind. We can't eat this tough rind. What's inside the rind? Do you have a guess? What could be inside this tough, hard rind? Let's take a look. A watermelon is inside. Watermelon is so juicy. We can eat watermelon. Okay, so you guys see that white part around? That's the inside of the rind. And then, of course, there's the pink part is called the meat. And then the black seeds, which are also not great to eat. But if you do, it's, try not to. But if you do, it'll be okay. So here's the inside of the watermelon, and the rind is keeping it safe. If the rind wasn't there, it would just smush everywhere. What other foods have skins? Can we eat these skins? All right, let's take a look. I think this is an apple. An apple does have skin, but the good thing about an apple is you can eat the skin. What else has skin that we can eat? There's something on the back. Let's see. A pineapple. The pineapple has pokey skin. It says this prickly skin is called a shell. We can't eat the prickly shell, but what's inside the shell? A pineapple. So pineapples have prickly shells that you cannot eat. I'm thinking about an orange. An orange has a skin on the outside. And I think it's also called a rind, like the watermelon. And it doesn't taste very good. So you have to peel it off before you get to the orange. Do you guys remember that song that we sang one time that was like, form, banana, form, banana? I'm going to do this song for you since we're talking about peels. All right, here we go. I'm going to get standing up. Will you guys do it with me? All right, let me move my computer to the right place. All right, here we go. You ready? Form, banana, form, banana, form, banana, form, banana, peel, banana, peel, banana, peel, banana, peel, banana. Go, bananas, go, bananas. Okay, let's do, what about the nuts? All right, form the nut, form the nut, form the nut, form the nut, peel the nut, peel the nut, peel the nut, peel the nut, squish the nut, squish the nut. That's how they make peanut butter. Squish the nut, squish the nut. Oh, how about the corn that was inside the book? Form the corn, form the corn, form the corn, form the corn, peel the corn, peel the corn, the husk, peel the corn, peel the corn, pop the corn, pop the corn, pop the corn, pop the corn. Let's do one more. Let's do potatoes. Form, potato, form, potato, form, potato, form, potato, peel, potato, peel, potato, peel, potato, peel, potato, mash, potato, mash, potato, mash, potato, mash, potato. All right, last one. The orange. We were talking about oranges a second ago. Form the orange, form the orange, form the orange, form the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange. Oh, I love that song. Moms and dads, if you want to look that song up on YouTube, it is, there are a couple different ones. So if you just look up the Go Bananas song, there's lots of people that do it. You can watch it lots of different ways. So hope you guys enjoyed our story called What's Inside this morning. See if you can find some foods at your house that have a shell or a skin on the outside. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow for another story. Happy April Fool's Day.